Giraffe. Giraffe camelopardalis. Lifespan 20 to 28 years. Weight 500 to 2,000 pounds. Height 14 to 18 feet. Conservation status vulnerable and decreasing. Diet herbivore. Where do they live? Giraffes are any of 4 species in the genus Giraffa and are native to Africa. The areas they inhabit are very fragmented. Giraffes are frequently found in areas with acacia trees. The most suitable habitat for these animals is a dry, arid land. They inhabit grasslands, savannas, and open woodlands. What do they eat? Giraffes are herbivores. Their diet mainly consists of leaves from the thorny acacia trees. Being browsers, these animals will also consume leaves, flowers, seed pods, and fruits. In the heat of the day, they will rest in shady areas, regurgitating the food and then ingesting it again. Giraffes have a long prehensile tongue that is about 18 inches long. It is purplish-black in color, and is useful for grasping foliage. Their upper lip is also prehensile and useful when foraging, and is covered in hair to protect against thorns. They rarely drink, obtaining about 70% of their required water from food. Family life. Due to their large size, giraffes spend a lot of time eating. They are usually more active in the mornings and evenings. They rest standing up during the night. Females live in non-territorial groups of up to 20. Female giraffes and their young gather into small herds, keeping constantly together, in order to protect the calves from predators. Giraffes are rarely heard and are usually considered silent mammals. They communicate with one another by infrasonic sound. However, they can vocalize to one another by grunts or whistle-like cries. Some other communication sounds for giraffes are moaning, snoring, hissing, and flute-like sounds. When alarmed, a giraffe grunts or snorts to warn neighboring giraffes of the danger. Mother giraffes can whistle to their young calves. Also, cows search for their lost young by making bellowing calls. The calves return their mother's calls by bleating or mewing. Males prefer leading solitary lives. They travel long distances to find fertile females. Adult male giraffes establish dominance hierarchies by sparring. Sparring involves 2 individuals standing stiff-legged and parallel. The males march in step with one another with their necks horizontal and looking forward. They rub and intertwine their necks and heads, then lean against each other to evaluate their opponent's strength. Necking occurs when 2 giraffes stand alongside each other and swing their heads at the other giraffe. They aim their horns at their opponent's rump, flanks, or neck. A hard enough blow can knock down or injure an opponent. Dominant males get the right to breed with the females in his area. Normally giraffe gestation lasts 13 to 15 months. It normally yields a single baby, but rarely can produce twins. The female gives birth in a calving area, which she further uses throughout her life. A newborn calf is able to walk in just an hour after birth and can run within 24 hours after birth. Weaning occurs at 1 year old. At the age of 15 months, the young become fully independent. Giraffes grow to nearly their full height by 4 years of age, but gain weight until they are 7 or 8. Conservation. Giraffe populations seem to be stable throughout parts of their range and are threatened in other areas. Hunting and poaching are among major threats to giraffes' population. Another concern is the loss of their natural habitat due to human activities. The overall number of giraffe population is recently estimated to be about 97,562 individuals, and is presently decreasing. A study in 2016 determined that giraffe populations plummeted by 36 to 40% between 1985 and 2015. The IUCN assessed giraffes as vulnerable to extinction in 2016. They also classified 2 giraffe subspecies as critically endangered in 2018 and 2 more as endangered in 2018 and 2019. Fun facts. Giraffes sleep from 10 minutes to 2 hours a day, which is one of the shortest sleeping requirements among mammals. The heart of a giraffe is about 2 feet long and weighs up to 22 pounds. To keep blood flow to the brain, the heart of a giraffe has to generate twice as much blood pressure versus an average large mammal.